Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable weather notifications on Microsoft Edge. So at first open up your Microsoft Edge browser, and after open the browser just click on this gear up icon. Now from here scroll all the way down, and here you can see notification settings option, and here you can find manage option, then just click on manage. Now here you can see four options: general, news, sports and weather. If you want to disable or turn off your weather notifications, just click on weather option and that's it. Here you can see two options: get all weather notifications and another is weather information, and you can disable only one option or both from here. Just click here and it's done. Now your weather notification is totally disabled, and that's it. Now your weather notification has been disabled successfully, and that is how you can turn off or disable weather notifications on Microsoft Edge browser. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.